Here is how to add music to a Facebook post. Music can be a great way to set the tone for your post or just enhance it in a fun way. Start by tapping home in the top left, then tap what's on your mind to create a new post. For example, tap hello. Next, swipe up on the bar just above your keyboard to reveal more options. Scroll down until you see music, then tap it. You will see a list of available tracks. You can preview any of them, and when you find one you like, tap it to add it to your post. Like beautiful. Then done. If you want, you can also tap add media to include your own photo. Once everything looks good, tap post in the top right, and that's all there is to it.